armed conflict between China and India. It was a military escalation of the Sino-Indian border dispute. The Himalaya border dispute was the chief pretext of the war. Both China and India did not use their navy or air force in this war.
Soldiers, Bhutan, Tibet are supposed to be part of China. Let us annex it.
Sure, Commander, we are ready for order.
This is our prime duty, Commander, to strengthen China.
Commander, let us extend our border and be a powerful country in Asia.
India is emerging as powerful nation that may be stand as absurd for our growth.
Nothing is stopping us. Let us proceed to battlefield.
Let's attack!
Let's save our nation. Jai Durga!
Jai Durga!
Tomato, aloo, mirchi, capsicum. Tomato, aloo, mirchi, capsicum.
Amma, did you got fresh vegetables?
Yes, why not? Take a look. You are looking so enthusiastic today. Why wouldn't she be?
My hero is coming today.
Great news.
Oh my dear, welcome. Oh my son, we were just talking about you. Live long, hit century.
Pray that I serve my mother India my entire life.
Oh dear, how are you? Long days to see you. How is your health?
I'm fine, dear. Oh, Papa, finally you are back. I am so excited.
Welcome back, my brother. Where is my gift?
Great to see you, soldiers. Sure, it is with me.
You must be tired, beta. Fresh yourself up.
Amma's pallu connects me to nostalgic feeling. Even the thorns in my Amma's pallu feels like soft rose petals to me.
But this towel feels so comfy to me.
Nothing else in this world gives me this comfort.
जन्म जन्म वो तू ही मेरे पास माँ जन्म जन्म वो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां ये है खबर दिल में कहीं रब रहता है मगर मेरे दिल में रहती भोली वाली मेरी माँ मेरे दिल में रहती भोली वाली मेरी माँ
I smell something delicious. Amma, I'm so hungry.
So am.
All right, set the table.
It's been a long time since I ever had food made by Amma.
Hey, I used to get the first bite. Things change as favorite kid arrives.
Oh, look, the small kids are crying to be first.
Finish your food silently.
After few days of Jawan coming home,
Namaste, Kaka.
Namaste, beta.
How is life treating you?
Can never be better. How about you, beta?
Not even a thorn can hurt when my Amma's prayers are with me and her villagers are there to help me.
What were you doing, beta?
training myself to protect this country. Come Ramu Kaka, let's have some chai.
No, Jawan. We have some work. Maybe next time.
See you, beta.
Bye. Take care.
Baba, they are not our relatives. Why did you call them Kaka?
We live in a society in which we are interdependent on each other. We must respect them and treat them like our loved ones.
Hello, may we come in?
Oh, what a surprise we have today.
When did you come home?
Just few hours ago. Have a seat.
Amma, you have only one son and joined him into army. Did you sleep well last night?
I beg your pardon.
You slept well because my Baba took up the arms to protect our country.
If we were filled with people like you, then who would protect the border of our country?
How is your life going there?
How do you think it would be going?
What are the temperatures over there? My dad works on altitudes where there are negative temperatures. Oh my God, it must be traumatizing. You are working real hard for it. We must take our leave. With your permission, we would like to take our leave.
Take care. Shreyas, what's going on?
Well, I too am passionate about something, and that's the art I love drawing.
Oh, then one must follow their heart. What are painting you have made? Can I have a look, my prince?
I'll show you our family painting on the day when my aunt's gonna tie you Rakhi.
I am excited. Where is your aunt? I heard Rakhi is coming over.
You heard right. And please don't out me tie Rakhi in my head. Like always, make it go for once. I beg you, please stay here for this Rakhi.
I promise you, my dear, I'll stay here with you.
Thank you, my brother.
Hello?
Am I speaking to Arjun Sen?
Yes.
There is an emergency operation. Start immediately to border. It's an order.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind.
Due to an emergency of war between India and Pakistan, Arjun Sen left to border.
Take care, my boy.
Take care, my brother.
Return soon safely, my dear.
I'll be waiting for you, Baba.
एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह, ये पुकार सुन ले। ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह, ये पुकार सुन ले। ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता।
In 1965, Indo-Pakistan War. This conflict became known as the Second Kashmir War. Both countries fought over the disputed Himalayan region of Kashmir. In this operation, Pakistan wanted to bring forces into India, which held in Jammu and Kashmir. This war caused thousands of deaths on both sides.
Soldiers, we have not opened war dialogue, but Pakistan extremists opened war dialogue. This makes us to calm down them with tit for tat.
Yes, Commander. Someone needs to invade there. I must be the one of them.
Better you stay off. I'll take care of it.
I think I am the best option, cause I have no one to look after. You have a family, Jack.
Well, I have a brother to look after my family.
I have a sister and I'm confident about. But hold, I'm the senior and everyone must obey me.
Seriously, shameless insan. You count days. We have difference of only 3 days.
Shut up, arms up.
All the best, my seniors. I'm glad I do not have to share food and bed also spacious tent.
Wait, look at these selfish gains. Jai Durek!
Eagle 1, first strike, you have permission to engage the target.
Yes. Oh no, it is injustice.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था।
My father is the hero of the nation.
Commandos, who are we? Indian Army ने ये जंग शुरू नहीं की थी, but we will bloody hell finish it. Yes, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. I said, how's the Josh? Hi, sir. Good.
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा